Hi guys, welcome to our video. Today we are going to see 7 experiments which are easily you can find in your home. Now let's get started. In the first experiment we required beakers. Now let's add water to the both the beakers. Next we required salt. Now let us put salt to the right beaker. Add more salt so that concentration must be increased in the solution. Now let us put egg to the both the beakers. You can see that in the left beaker the egg is sinking. In the right beaker the egg is floating. It's because when we add salt to the water will become more denser, so egg will float. Before going to the next experiment, do subscribe our channel Unacademy Maharashtra SSC Board 9th and 10th. Now let us move to the second experiment. In this experiment we required a jar, balloon. Now let us place a balloon to the top of the jar. Take a bowl, add boiling water to it. Now let us place jar to the hot water. We can see that how the balloon is filling with the air. It is because the air which is present inside the jar will get expand due to the hot water which is present in the bowl, so that balloon will fill with the air. Now let us move to the third experiment. In this experiment we required a beaker. Now let us add water to it. Let us add turmeric powder. Mix the turmeric and prepare a solution of it. Now let us add detergent powder to it. You can see that how the turmeric solution changing its color. It is because the turmeric solution acts as a natural indicator and detergent acts as an basic, so the color will changes to yellow to red. And put the lemon solution to the beaker. After that the solution will changes its color to red to yellow. It is because of the lemon where it acts as an acid, so that color will changes to red to yellow. Hello friends, as you know, Unacademy has done something really exciting for Maharashtra State Board students class 9th and 10th. You can learn all the subjects in Hindi, English or Marathi with 50 plus top educators across Maharashtra. There is unlimited access to free live classes, free daily quizzes, live doubt clearing session, daily progress report, best strategy and tips to crack exam and much more. Links are there in description box. Just download the app. Use my referral code RRTEX10 to unlock all the free buys. If you like the free session, you can take their subscription as well as you will get unlimited access to all courses, batches for syllabus completion, revision and crash courses and much more. You can use my referral code to get 10% discount. Learn anytime and anywhere with Unacademy. Now let us go for the fourth experiment. In this experiment we required a bottle. Cut the bottle so that we can place the balloon on it. Balloon, Now let us cut the balloon in the blowing region. Place the balloon in the end of the bottle. Remove the cap from the bottle. We require rubber band. Place the rubber band to the bottle. Make sure that rubber band should be tight enough where that air should not be escaped from it. Incense stick. Now let us light incense stick. Put the incense stick to the inside of the bottle for 2 to 3 minutes where the smoke will get collected on inside of the bottle. After that, slowly pull the balloon which is present on the end of the bottle and release it. The smoke which is come through the out of the bottle will be like a ring shape. Now let us move to the fifth experiment. In this experiment, we required 2 beakers. Let us add water to the right beaker. For identification, now let us add color to the right beaker. And we require tissue paper. Fold into half. Keep the tissue paper in the middle of the 2 beakers. And you can see that how the tissue paper is absorbing the water. Now let us move to the 6th experiment. In this experiment, we required a glass, balloon, blow the balloon, take a glass, matchbox, burn a matchstick and place inside the glass. Place the balloon on the top of the glass. Then the balloon will get absorbed by the glass due to the vacuum which is created inside the glass. If you pull the balloon, you can see that it comes along with the glass. Now let us move to the 7th experiment. In this experiment, we required bowl. Now let us add water to it. We required sewing pin. Let us place sewing pin in the center of the water. and make sure that place it very slowly, and you can observe that how the sewing pin is changing its direction. The sharp end of the sewing pin is placing towards the north direction. See how the simple sewing pin acts as an compass. Thanks for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please hit a like, do share and do subscribe.